Hi guys, hello, hi, and namaste everyone. So, guys, in this video, we will be seeing guidance with respect to your career, and yes, your money will be also included. So, let's start. Let's see what guidance we get. Okay, so the very first message for you is forgiveness. So, guys, I feel maybe now this is actually from past life oracle deck, and with this card I clearly feel that maybe in one of your past life someone has cheated you with respect to your money, or maybe also with respect to your career in some or the other way. And at that time when it was been revealed, like that experience was such a painful thing or so, and maybe you might have taken some oath also that you will never forgive this person also, and hence you are carrying this baggage till the date, till in this birth also. So you need to forgive those energies, you need to forgive, like your soul needs to forgive that experience, that person. Here what you can do is you can practice Ho'oponopono technique. Now you don't know, like who that person was in your past life, right? What you can do is you can sit quietly before and very in a very calm state of mind, sit quietly, and you can just give an intention that whomsoever needs my forgiveness, I forgive that person. And you can chant this, just four easy phrases: I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Why I said here, why this line, please forgive me? That's because maybe that person is also carrying that baggage as you are carrying in some or the other way. So that is why, fine, you're forgiving it. And also, please forgive me also if I made any mistake also. And that is why maybe you got such an experience in one of your lifetime. So this goes both vice versa. So that is why you need to forgive someone. This is what I see. Only then your career will, maybe if you're facing obstacles, it will move forward. You have some phobias also, some of them, not everyone, but you have some phobias. I don't know what sort of phobias it is. And same, you're carrying it till this, on in this birth also. So you really need to acknowledge what sort of phobias you have. Now this phobia can be about, in with respect to anyone, maybe to express, maybe to, you are creative enough and all, but maybe phobia of getting judged, that what will people think, or phobia of anything, like what if I do something what I wish to do but I don't earn enough, and society, family, relatives, friends, everybody will just keep on talking to me about me, and they will just keep on blaming me and all that stuff. This can be any phobia, but you need to acknowledge, you need to go within yourself for this, and you need to work on it. Again, here I will say that you need to do some shadow work, because maybe you're hiding that particular thing. So please acknowledge it. Let's see other message. Oh, career reading and money struggle message over here. Previous struggles with poverty may linger in your subconscious, making it difficult to fully embrace abundance and financial stability in this lifetime. So maybe I guess again this is something that's coming from your past life, and hence you are facing some troubles. Here I can advise you is you can take an Akashic guidance from anybody if you know someone. It helps a lot in getting to know the exact soul journey, why you're facing blockages in this lifetime and all. And here it's clearly written, so you are facing some money struggle that's coming because of your past life, like something that you didn't learn that in that lifetime, you need to learn this lifetime. Okay, meditation. Take a moment to connect to the source through quite reflective meditation. Yes, might be the situation with you is that you are looking for a lot of answers outside with respect to your money, with respect to your career, and overall thing. But what you need to do is you need to meditate, because answers are within you. a lot of them, like literally I would say 99% of people, they always seek for answers outside, but always I would tell you one thing, that answers are always within us, within inside us. So please start meditating. Taking another message. Oh wow. Abundance, beautiful message. When your heart's intention is to serve humanity, doors of abundance naturally open. Beautiful message. See guys, I would really like to say, please don't be very money minded or so just for yourself, for your family thing. Have that open heart to serve to the for the this mother earth, this mother nature, for this society, and then see the difference. This is what I would say over here. Taking one more card. Ascension. Your soul is evolving to higher states of consciousness. You are ready for this. And that is why maybe some of you are facing maybe troubles with respect to your finances, because you need to learn something from your current situation, and hence maybe you are facing some blockages also. Maybe you need to heal your chakras and all, which are related to career, which are related to finances, money. So do acknowledge it. Let's see what's another message. Okay, here's the message for you. So, guys, currently I feel with this card, maybe some of you, or maybe a lot of you, have a lot of choices with respect to your career also, and you're not understanding what to do. Like, it's a complicated thing, like what to choose, what to let go, or what to live, or anything. And this situation, this phase is very puzzling. You're not understanding also. But here's a message given to you, that you really need to chart out everything. You need to jot it down, you need to write it down, and literally you really need to, here it's written, embracing each turn as part of your complex journey. So I guess if possible here, I would say guys, please try to explore the choices you have in front of you, or whatever else the situation is. Please try to explore more, please try to get more information, write it down and each and everything, and it will really help you. Here's another message given to you: choose wisely. Decisions shape your path amid challenges. Stay open to learnings as answers reveal your destined journey. So whatever you choose, whatever decision you take or make, whatever action you do, you're taking, making, whatever it is making your destiny. And so choose very wisely guys. Literally it's a very complicated thing that I'm sensing over here. I would really like to say, whatever the thing is, please write it down. I would say, instead of looking answers outside, please focus on yourself. You need to isolate yourself, write it down, and slowly and gradually, when you will come to know, if you when you will read and all everything, when you will explore more and more, when you will find out more information, you will get a lot of clarity. So it will really help you. Love your journey. Be open to the idea of loving you. A lot of them, they are not happy with their career. A lot of them, they are not happy with how like what they are earning, how much ever they are earning. But see what's given over here, or whatever career you're doing, or whatever you're doing, like maybe you're studying or whatever it is. But see what's given over here. Please love your journey. I mean, before all this stuffs, you need to focus on yourself guys. You need to love yourself, that yes. And then see, you will attract such uh, I would say incidents, that it will be in your favor. This is what I would say. Like you will be shocked to know that, oh my god, like so things are happening in my life that I really wish to have and all. Why? Maybe because somewhere you're not loving yourself. Maybe you wish to do something, you have something in your mind, but you're not doing that thing, and you're doing something else. Or maybe with within yourself, you're not clear that what you want to do in your life for earning, as your career, or whatever, as your passion, or whatever it is. So be clear with yourself. Do not ignore your emotions. Do not ignore what your mental state of mind is trying to tell you. Or if you wish to do anything in your life, so please do not ignore it, acknowledge it. It's no less than loving yourself. And only then slowly and gradually you will start loving whatever you're going through. Or loving as in, I would really like to say, if you're going through a tough situation, I won't say you will start loving it, but at least, yeah, I accept it. You will be coming into acceptance. This is what I wish to say. Oh, choices again. There are a lot of opportunities waiting for you. Don't doubt yourself and trust your instinct. See, guys, in choosing the best possible decision, I just said, please acknowledge what your inner thing is trying to tell you, and that's the thing. Maybe you will come across some choices, or you are coming, or you do have some choices. You need to trust your instinct, your inner voice, your intuition, what it is trying to tell you. So that's the thing, and this is how you will choose the best one. If you will listen to a lot of people, if you will listen to what society is saying and all, you will get more and more confused, and maybe you may not end up to the right path. This is what I would say, that you may take end up taking a wrong decision. So it's better to tune in within yourself and then see what you are looking for, what you really wish for. Limitations. Fear and doubt limit freedom of action. Let go of your worries. So maybe you are not coming out of your comfort zone, and hence, like, you're not that successful in your career. And this is what I'm getting over here, that because you have a lot of limitations. No, I cannot go out of this, maybe this village or this city or this state. No, I want to, whatever it is, my career should be within this area or this thing, or a lot of limitations. Or maybe you're not ready to go abroad, overseas and all. But no, guys, your limitations are limiting your career. Maybe your earning choices also, maybe you deserve a lot, but because just because you're not coming out of your comfort zone, it's limiting your each and everything. Please understand that, and please, whatever your worries is, please let go of. Try to jot it down, I would say, like what you are so much worried for, I would say, and then literally burn off that paper. Do this for 21 or 30 days, like till you do not feel that now I am free of worries. Till then you can do. I would say that after writing your worries, please do not read it. Just fold it to the opposite side and burn the paper. Fold the paper to the opposite side, because you're releasing it. You're not attracting it more and more, right? So just write it on a paper with a black pen, I would say. Fold it to the opposite side and just burn it out, I would say, and blow off the ashes, keeping an intention: I'm releasing all my worries, all my limited beliefs, and whatever I'm not able to come out of the comfort zone, everything I'm releasing it. Do that. Okay. Silence. Moving in silence while you continue to build. Okay, a very, very big message for a lot of them. Silence is the best way to increase your personal power. Yes, that's true. Sharing too much too soon, not everyone is honest and trustworthy. Absolutely, and this literally applies to so much of so many of them. Like, before even starting something, everyone will talk about their manifestations, everyone will talk about their future plans, each and everything. Guys, it's true, not everyone is like you, each and every person is unique. If you are too much, like, if you have that capability, if you have that ability to think something more higher than someone, they can compare, they can become jealous, they can put an evil eye. These stuffs are becoming very common nowadays. I literally see, literally each and every person wearing at least an evil eye thing, bracelet, or some all such bracelets at least. I see, like, how, like, slowly and gradually people are literally getting cautious about it, awaken about it, that these stuffs do happen. So please acknowledge this message, that maybe you're sharing your plans, your career, your money plans with someone who is not even that trustworthy, who is not thinking something good. On face they might show that they are supporting you, they are with you, they are your, I would say, well wisher and all everything, but no, that's not the reality. So please, literally, I would say, shut your mouth and do not share any of your career plans. Here, I would say, do not even share with your family. Please do it when it is done, when it is permanent. Okay, beautiful message. I choose life. So these are some empowering messages. I choose life, very beautiful message, guys. So if like after reading this message I'm not getting a very, maybe someone, maybe you're not that happy with your career with respect to what you're earning and you're fed up literally, but this is what has been said to you, that you need to choose life over depression, anxiety, stress, or any unwanted thoughts. If it's coming to you, you are choosing life. Please, I would say, affirm this. Okay, so this is a affirmation you can chant. As I make positive choices regarding my money, more money comes to me in unforeseen ways. Beautiful message. So you can chant this before going to bed to attract abundance, money in your life, or early morning as you wake up. I'm repeating it again. As I make positive choices regarding my money, more money comes to me in unforeseen ways. You can chant this, guys. I'm taking another message over here. Beautiful message that each and every one of want in our life with respect to overall life. No more obstacles. Your positive energy and attitude help you to overcome previous obstacles and blocks. Be ready for a hassle free way to prosperity. Oh, wow, beautiful message. Do claim this energy, guys. Do claim this energy. So, this is for someone who has literally worked hard, staying positive, even though they faced a lot of challenges, obstacles, maybe even objection and all, everything, and you have overcome all those and you have reached up to a point, and so now is the time for you to attract prosperity in your life. So be ready, have that open mind and open heart. Be to receive it. Be ready to receive it. This is what I would say. Okay, so all the best, congratulations. And guys, this was the reading with respect to your career, your money. Hope this reading helped you. If then please put a like or mention in the comment. Thank you.